Yeah, anytime I hear our Ijaw people saying that the Igbo people are coming to steal our oil, that they are coming to collect our oil, I will just shake my head and laugh. From 1956, that oil was discovered in Oloibiri in Bayelsa State, till now, 2026, Northerners have been drinking our oil. Yorubas have been using straw, I'm even calling straw. They have been using drilling machine to drill our oil from 1956 till now. What have you done about it? There is massive poverty in every area in Ijaw territory. What have you done about it? How many Igbo people have oil wells in the Niger Delta? How many Igbo people? How many Northerners and Yoruba people have oil wells in Niger Delta? Look at NNPC. Are Igbos the ones dominating the NNPC? Is it not Northerners and Yoruba people are the ones dominating the NNPC? Why is it that the Ijaw people that are producing more of the oil in Niger Delta, why are we not the ones dominating the NNPC? When a man don't know what kill his father, what kill his father will surely kill him. If you don't know what kill your father will kill you. Most of our leaders have been turned to pipeline security officials, which is very good. I love it. But in the north, that have gold, worth trillions of dollars, gold, diamond, mineral resources, worth trillions of dollars, are they also doing security work to protect this gold for Nigeria to share as a federal allocation to every state? That is the question we are asking. When a man does not know what killed his father will surely kill him. It is time for Ijaw people to wise up. We must know what killed our father. We must know what killed Atakaboro. Who killed him? What killed Atakaboro? Except we are waiting for the same fate to await us. God forbid. Nonsense.